Hi folks, and welcome back to Math with Captain Rod. I'm making this video here to help demonstrate how to write out what's called an augmented matrix and how to use that augmented matrix in a process known as Gaussian elimination to solve a system of equations. So what we're looking at here, we've got this 2x2 system of equations, 2x plus 3y equals 5 and x plus 2y equals 4. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to write this as an augmented matrix, and here's what that looks like. You take your coefficients, 2, 3, 1, and 2. They're going to go here, 2, 3, 1, 2. I'm going to put this little kind of like dot, dot, dot. This is just kind of a separation. You can think of it as maybe being the equal sign here. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to put the 5 and the 4. And what this is this is just a kind of a shorthand way to represent the system of equations without having to write the x's and the y's. So again, this reads 2x plus 3y equals 5 and 1 plus 2y equals 4. All right, now we're going to work on solving it. And the idea here, and really it's all about this spot right here. What we want here is we want a 0 there, because once we have a 0 there, we'll have a number times y equals a number, and we'll have the solution for y. We can then back substitute into this equation and get x. So the idea is to find a series of operations that will allow us to make this thing a 0. So what we're going to do is this. The top row gets rewritten 2, 3, 5. In the place of the bottom row, what we're going to do is we're going to take row 1, actually let's do this, negative 2 times row 2 and add it to row 1. Notice if I take negative 2 times this, add it to this, we're going to get a 0 here. So the rest is just following suit with everything. Negative 2 times this guy added to this guy, that's going to give us a negative 1. Negative 2 times this is negative 8. Added to this is negative 3. All right. And now we have an equation here that can be very easily solved. This thing represents minus y equals minus 3. Which is pretty easy to solve for y. Y is equal to 3. Now what we can do is rewrite this equation. At this point, we don't really even need the matrix stuff anymore. And this was not a great example for showing why this matrix stuff is so nice. This was a pretty short example, but when the examples get longer, you'll see what the advantage is of doing it in the matrix form. We're going to take our value of 3, back substitute into this equation, which now reads 2 times x plus 3 times y is equal to 15. So 2 times x plus 9 is equal to 15. So 2x is equal to, let's see, 15 minus 9, 6. And x is equal to 3. All right. So that's how you write a system of equations as an augmented matrix, and you apply what's called Gaussian elimination here to get a 0 in this spot. Now when the matrices get bigger, what you're doing is you're just doing more zeros going down this way and over, and in my next video I'll do that. But in a 2x2 matrix, or I guess this is a 2x3, you only need a 0 in this spot to have your solution started. So again, short video, just meant to be an introductory video. The next one will be a lot more fun. Hope that this demonstrates this concept okay. Have a nice day.